Good morning students. Class 10 chapter 5 exercise 5.2. In the exercise 5.2 we have already done question number 1, 2 and 3 and some definitions of AP, common difference, first term, general formula AP and the formula of nth term. An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now we have to calculate question number 4. In the question number 4, which term of the AP is given is 78. We suppose that 78 is nth term of AP. An equal to 78, n equal to question mark, A की value 3 and the D is equal to 5. Apply the formula of An, put the value and calculate. कैलकुलेशन चेक करने से पहले, मैच करने पहले आपको सेम कैलकुलेशन करनी है इसको आफ्टर दिस मैच. In the question number 5, find the number of terms. AP is given 18, 15 is stood 1 upon 2, 13 and so on, and the last term is minus 47. And we have to find out number of terms. We suppose that there are n terms. For example, if there are 40 students in a class, then the roll number of the last students is 40th. So like this, minus 47 is n term of the given AP. N equal to question mark, A equal to 18, D equal to this. Apply the formula of An again, put the values, and remember if the value of D is negative then put in a bracket, calculate and find out n equal to 27. So there are 27 terms in AP. Note down it. Now student, question number 6. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP. We have to check that minus 150 is belongs or does not belongs to this AP. यानी कि ये इस AP की एक पर्टिकुलर टर्म है या नहीं. It's a important question. Solution. We suppose that minus 150 is the term of given AP. So An equal to minus 150 and we have to find out n. A is equal to 11, D equal to minus 3. Apply the formula and calculate and observe. If the value of n is a natural number, then minus 150 is the term. If the value of n is not a natural number, so it is not a term. Calculate it. वीडियो पॉज करोगे और फिर उसके अपनी कैलकुलेशन आप मैच करना. I hope you have done calculation. Now your calculation match it. Put the value of n minus 1 D, and remember if the value of D is negative then the value of D write in a bracket. Calculate n equal to minus 164 upon 3, and we all know that 164 upon 3 is not natural number because value of n is not a natural number. So minus 150 is not a term of given AP. Note down it. Okay students, now we have done question number 7. In the question number 7, find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. 31st term indicate A31 question mark. 11th term indicate A11 is equal to 38. 16th term indicate A16 equal to 73. We suppose that A is the first term and the D is a common difference of AP. Because A11 equal to 38 and we know that A11 equal to A plus 10D. So A plus 10D equal to 38. A16 equal to 73. A plus 15D equal to 73. Solve equation 1 and 2 as a pair of linear equations, two variable, and find out A and D. Calculate and pause the video and after play matching your calculation. Okay, now match your calculation. Write both equations, subtract, a cancel out, d is equal to 7, put value of d in equation 1 and find out a is equal to minus 32. Now we have to find out a31. a31 is equal to a plus 30d minus 32 plus 30 multiplied 210, and the calculation answer is 871. Answer is 178. Okay, note down it. Students, question number 8 and question number 9 same as question number 7, so do yourself. Now question number 10. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. We suppose that first term is small a and common difference is small d. Now the sentence, 17th term exceeds 10th term by 7. 17th term indicate A17, 10th term is indicate A10. So what is the equation? A17 is equal to A10 plus 7. Put the formula of A17 and A10 and calculate and find out the value of D, and after calculation match this. Okay, now match your calculation. Formula of A17 A plus 16D, A10 A plus 9D, both side A cancel out, find out value of D and D is equal to 1. Okay. Note down it. Okay students, now we have to do question number 11. It is a very important question. Which term of the AP? AP is 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on will be 132 more than its 54th term. यानी कि इस AP की वो कौन सी टर्म है जो 54th टर्म से 132 ज़्यादा मेंशन होगी. We suppose that nth term is 132 more than 54th term. Nth term an, 54th term a54th. What is the mathematical equation? An equal to a54 plus 132, or a is equal to 3, d equal to a2 minus 7, 12. Now put out value of an, a54 and calculate and find out value of n. Now calculate it yourself. I hope you have done your calculation. Now match your calculation. An, a54 and the n equal to 65. So 65. So 65th term is 132 more than 54th term. The question is very important. So note down it.